this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable 2FA here in Fortnite in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can't turn this on inside the game itself. So what you're going to need to do is open up a separate web browser if you're on PC, or obviously open up a web browser on a mobile device. Just make sure that you close out of Fortnite first, otherwise this will not work. But essentially what you need to do is search for epicgames.com. Open up the website for Epic Games, and once you do get here, go ahead and sign into your account up in the top right. Once you're signed into your account, select your account name, and this time go ahead and go into account settings. And in this section, you're going to see a password and security option on the left-hand sidebar. You need to go ahead and open that up. Once you're in here, you're going to see a few different options for the 2FA section. You're going to see the full options are SMS, Epic Authenticator, Authenticator app, and email as well. Essentially, go ahead and turn on one of these or all three for better security, but you can also set a primary method. Like I have SMS set as a primary method. Obviously, an authenticator app is going to be the safest choice in terms of security, but SMS and email, in my opinion, are the very best just in terms of convenience. But make sure that you enable at least one of these. Once you have one of these enabled, you'll be able to send gifts, play in tournaments, and do so much more. That is it. That is 2FA here in Fortnite. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.